Okay, Patty, Donna?
All right, ladies, when we get back from this one, we all go to the Red Lion and we roar.
Strangest thing is when you're on your way to get shot at. What happened to me was I couldn't remember the lyrics to the Hot Sud song. That tune kept running through my head, and I couldn't remember the lyrics to save my life, and I couldn't stop thinking about it. Finally, just to take my mind off it, I started humming God Bless America, and I couldn't remember the words to that either. We were on our way to Wiesbaden in Germany. By the time we got across the channel, I couldn't remember how to spell it, or even how to pronounce it. If it weren't for Jackie, I certainly wouldn't have known how to find it.